Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Streaming Daily. Today I am posting April 27, 2022, May 2nd, 2020 current affairs. First question: who has been appointed as India's permanent representative to the United States? Options are Deepak Mittal, Piyush Srivastava, T.S. Tirumurthy and Jaideep Mazumdar. And the answer is T.S. Tirumurthy. T.S. Tirumurthy appointed as India's next ambassador or permanent representative to the United Nations on April 29, 2020. Tirumurthy is a 1985 batch IFS officer. He will be succeeding Syed Akbaruddin, who is due to retire shortly, and the answer is T.S. Tirumurthy. Second question: who represented India at the Petersburg Climate Dialogue? The options are Prakash Javadekar, Piyush Goyal, PM Narendra Modi and Dr. Harshvardhan. Option is A. Prakash Javadekar. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar attended the 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue on behalf of India on April 28, 2020. The dialogue was hosted by Germany and co-chaired by the United Kingdom. Answer is Prakash Javadekar. Third question: according to the GRID 2020 report, how many people were displaced in 2019? Options are 2 million, 5 million, 3 million and 4 million. And the option is B, 5 million. Over 5 million people faced displacements in India in 2019, which is the highest in the world as per the global report on internal displacement. The report was released by the Internal Displacement Monitoring Center. As per the report, 33.4 million people faced displacements in the world due to conflicts and disasters. Fourth question: which nation was the top military spender in 2019? Options are China, India, US and Russia. And the answer is US, United States. The United States was the top military spender in 2019, followed by China and then India. The United States spent 732 billion USD for military purposes in 2019, which was 5.3% higher than its military expenditure in 2018. And the answer is US, United States. Fifth question: which state's chief minister has launched Jagananna Vidya Divena scheme? Options are Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy launched the Jagananna Vidya Divena scheme on April 28, 2020 at Tedepalli in Guntur district of the state. Under the scheme, 4,000 crores have been released along with 1880 crore towards pending amount left by the earlier government. And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy launched that. Sixth question: which among the following space technology celebrated 30 years of its launch on April 24, 2020? And the options are Spitzer, Astrosat, Odin and Hubble. And the answer is Hubble. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope celebrated 30 years of its launch on April 24, 2020. Hubble is one of the longest living space telescopes in the world. The Hubble telescope had first detected the evidence of existence of black holes in the center of the galaxy. So, and the answer is Hubble. 7th, which nation has lost the hosting rights of the 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship? And the answer is, options are Germany, India, Japan, and United States. And the answer is India. India has lost the hosting rights of the 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship after the Boxing Federation of India failed to pay the host fee to International Boxing Association. So India failed to pay the host fee to the International Boxing Association, so it lost the hosting rights of 2021's Men's World Boxing Championship. Eighth question. Which Pakistani player has been banned for 3 years for failing to report corrupt approaches? Options are Umar Akmal, Shadab Khan, Asif Ali, and Imad Wasim. And the answer is Umar Akmal. Pakistani cricketer Umar Akmal was banned by the Pakistani Cricket Board on April 27, 2020 for 3 years. The ban has been imposed on the Pakistani batsman for failing to report corrupt approaches ahead of the country's T20 Premier League this year. And the answer is Umar Akmal. He banned for 3 years. Ninth question. Which nation is looking to make travel exemptions for the Indian cricket team's tour later this year? Options are South Africa, New Zealand, and Australia. And the answer is Australia. The Australian government is looking to make travel exemptions for the Indian team's tour down under later this year to save the Australian Cricket Board. Cricket Australia, which has laid off almost 80% of its employees, is under huge financial pressure in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. The answer is Australia. Australian government ban. 10th question. The US presidential elections are scheduled to be held on which day? Options are November 3rd, November 4th, November 11th, and November 12th. And the answer is November 3rd. The US presidential elections are scheduled to be held on November 3rd, 2020. The US President Donald Trump has denied making any changes in the schedule of US presidential elections 2020 aimed COVID-19 outbreak. The answer is November 3rd. Eleventh question. US President Donald Trump has nominated which Indian American as US envoy to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development? Options are Manisha Singh, Pramila Jayapal, Nikki Haley, Ajit Pai. And the answer is Manisha Singh. Indian American diplomat Manisha Singh has been nominated as the next American envoy to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development by US President Donald Trump. Manisha Singh is currently serving as the Assistant Secretary of State for Economic and Business Affairs at the State Department. Twelfth question. The BRIC nations have agreed to allocate how much amount to the New Development Bank? Options are $15 billion, $20 billion, $10 billion, and $25 billion. And the answer is $15 billion. The BRICS nations have agreed to allocate $15 billion to the New Development Bank so that it could set up a special loan instrument to support the revival of economies and help meet the emergency expenses incurred for responding to the coronavirus pandemic. For more updates, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.